Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. Well, we already know with you how to play scales: A major, D major, G major. Now it's time for Etude. What, you thought I forgot about it? No, there is no violinist in the world who never ever played Etude in his life. Scales, Etudes, is a 50% of your success. If you're new to my channel, don't forget subscribe and press the bell. For you just 2 clicks, and for me it means a lot. That means you're watching my videos, you're waiting for my videos. I have to create more and more and more and more. Also, if you have any questions regarding violin, or maybe you just want to chat, I have a great and already a big community on my Instagram page, valeriiavoitko. You can always find me there, you can always write me direct message there, and we can become friends. I hope I don't have to remind you that first we will learn pizzicato, then we will learn with the bow, and then freedom. You can do wherever you want, but you have to follow the notes, play with the metronome, and of course play with the piano. Don't forget about right bowing. I think by this time you should know already what I'm talking about. Always check if your left hand is on right place, if your right hand moving properly. All those lessons you can find in my playlists. If you want to learn some other song or melody, don't afraid to write me about it also in the comments or direct message on my Instagram, and I'll see what I can do for you. But most probably I'll just create a video lesson with this song or melody and I'll upload it on my YouTube channel. The only thing in return, I'll appreciate if you practice very seriously, and maybe you will bring over some of your friends so they also can learn violin with me. And like this we will be able to build our big, huge, friendly community. Not only on Instagram, but here on YouTube as well. If you have any questions, never afraid to write me down below in the comments, or maybe on my Instagram, valeriiavoitko violin. This is my Instagram page. You always can write me direct message and I surely will answer you and help you. Don't forget about right bowing. I think by this time you should know already what I'm talking about. After you will learn how to play pizzicato, we will learn it with the bow. And then the coolest thing ever, probably other violin teachers on YouTube, they don't have that. You will be able to play it by yourself with the notes, with the metronome and with the piano. You can take your violin right now and we can start. You did amazing job! Write me down below in the comments what you think about my lessons, or you always can write me on my Instagram account valeriiavoitko violin. And of course don't forget that at the end of the video you will have a note, metronome and the piano. So like this I think it will be great opportunity for you to study home by yourself and to not search on internet, on YouTube, the accompaniment or the notes, everything in one lesson. See you next week, the same day, Wednesday, the same time, the same place, valeriiavoitko YouTube channel. Have an amazing week, guys. Bye. Practice.